Welcome back. Okay, time to close out what's been a weak day for the street. The Bank Nifty, by the way, had dipped below the 45,000 mark. It's now in the dying moments, trying to sort of have a close above that at least, but still it's a cut of over 700 points. And the Nifty itself is down close to 180 thereabouts. So where was the weakness? The weakest stock on the Nifty is ITC today, with fears about some selling coming in from one of its key shareholders, British American Tobacco, 4% down there. And then let's round up the banks. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 3.5%. ICICI Bank about 3%, IndusInd Bank down 2%. Weakness pretty much across the board, not just on banks, but even non-banks. Look at a stock like Bajaj Finance, for instance, about 2% lower over there. And some of the private sector insurers were cooling off after yesterday's rally, HDFC Life being case in point. Then we talk about some of the consumer stocks, at least on the Nifty, the color was red. So Britannia down 3%, Nestle down about 3%. Those were the weak names. But again, speaking of consumption, we've been talking about Zomato. That was the outlier with a gain coming in. What worked for the Nifty was Reliance, a 1% up move, but not enough to wipe out the red. And some buying in large cap technology, TCS and HCL Tech being some examples over there as well.
No, no, absolutely. And, these are large movers that we had today. I want to just mention the insurers, right? I mean, as you were saying, LIC, GIC, New India Assurance, these were the top gainers. The defense names came through with some gains today, HAL and Bharat Dynamics. And then, of course, continuation in names like Trent, which had another 6-7% gain. There was Kalyan Jewelers, which was up sharply. Pradeep Phosphate was another one, which was up and about in a trade today. So more down than up, and advanced decline, actually about 2:1. Not nearly 2:1, but close to it is what we had. So 170 lower off the day's low, but sharply down today. So wrap up this edition of Closing Bell from all of us here. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Markets Forward coming up next.